Today we're making Kotosoupa Avgolemono. Greek chicken lemon soup. To start, we need one chicken. I get in one knife and I cut him into pieces. Don't wing it. If it's hard, use some scissors. Get one pot, put inside your chicken. Now add inside your water and put 2 teaspoons nice Greek salt. Turn him on the gassy, bring him to boil and leave him cooking 1 hour. Pick him up 4 eggs, separate the yellow from the white and put them 2 bowls with one mixer. Beat him up the white ones till it's coming nice and fluffy. Now add the yellow inside the white and mix him till it's nice and creamy. Hey, when it's cooking and when you got in this, clean him out. When the chicken is done, take him out the pieces, 1 net and 1 more pot. Strain him to clean him up the chicken stock. Get 1 cup, take some out. We need this one for after. Turn him back the gazi, add inside 1 cup washed rice and mix him up a little bit. Now stir him up with the chicken. When this one's finished, take him off the stove. Now we slice the lemons. Juice them, roughly 250 ml. Put your lemons, your eggs. Now he's cooled down, put him in here. Mix him up. Gotta stop the eggs going curly. Slowly, we put this one inside the pot and mix up. Very good. Get 1 spoon, take him out some soupa, put as much chicken where you're needing, and fix up a little bit black pepper. It's bloody beautiful, mate.